Okay, greetings everyone. Welcome to this video. Uh, if you have not watched my previous videos, please refer back to those previous videos, watch, and then so that you can be able to understand what I'm about to explain to us here now. It's all about analyzing stocks, analyzing companies out there, and the tools that I use to do my technical and fundamental analysis. And I want you to pay much attention, watch these videos, and then grab as many information as you can grab and learn. If you're a beginner, please refer back to my video part one. Start from the part one, watch up to this particular video I'm making right now. You have a better understanding. So please follow the videos one after the other. It will give you proper understanding. If you dive into this video without going to watch the rest, you might not be able to have the understand or the clue of what I'm. It will be difficult for you to understand what I'm about sharing with us right now. What I'm sharing with us is what people pay thousands of dollars to learn. So please don't take this for granted. My English might not be too fluent to give you what you want, but if you watch these videos over and over again, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. If you watch it over and over again, you'll be able to understand what I'm doing, and it will help you to do a proper fundamental and technical analysis as regards to the companies you want to invest your hard-earned money in buying shares. Right now, this here is filmvix.com. I talked about FinVix in my previous video. Please refer back to my previous video. You understand what I mean, what this site represents. This is a site that gives you the necessary tools to analyze over 8,000 companies all over the world. This site gives you the tools to analyze over 8,000 companies all over the world. So I've been able to prune those companies down to 32 companies in the world. So today I want us to look at the company on the list, number 7, and then number 13. Number 7 is Darling Ingredients Incorporated. The sector is consumer defense. The package, the industry here, if you take a look at my pointer, is packaged food, and the country is what is a US based company, USA based company. And number 13 is Excelsis on the list, and the sector is healthcare, and the industry is biotechnology, and then the country is USA. So these are the two companies I want quickly to explain to us here if I would have the time. If not, so I'll move the other one to the next video. So let's talk about this Excelsis now. Excelsis is a company that I want us to look at. Now, what do? I normally go to the next website. This website is called FinScreener. FinScreener is equally like the first particular website we looked at, FinPix. But I love this FinScreener for one thing. It gives me the ability to do a little detailed analysis of the companies I'm looking at. This particular company gives you clue too, with so many other companies all over the world. So, and this is not what this website you see, it's not something you can get free out there. It's not something one can be able to explain to you. You have to pay huge, and we have to attend seminars, spend some money to get to this. I spend some money attending seminars, programs online, and I am giving out what I've learned so far and what I've been able to use to get some little money into my pocket. So please don't take it for granted. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and equally leave a comment below and like my videos. Thank you very much as we continue right now. So I'm going to be typing here Excel. This is, remember, we're looking about a particular company called Excelsis. So you can see it in the role Excelsis Incorporated. I click on it. I want to analyze this particular company. Right now, there are so many parameters here you can look at. You can look at, I don't look at all, but there are some things I'm looking at. I look at the analyst ranking, is saying strong buy. What my pointer? Fin screener ranking is 5 star and is up. Value ranking is 5 star and is up. The arrow is up. Growth ranking 5 star and the arrow is up. So this company, I want to look at this company critically. Now, from the time frames, you can see 15 minutes. Watch my pointer on the screen. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, monthly time frame. So what I do is this: I click on the 15 minutes time frame just to take a view summary of what is happening on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, the summary is buy. The technical indicator is saying neutral. The moving averages is saying strong buy. 30 minutes is saying the same thing buy. Summary is buy. Technical indicators neutral. Moving averages strong buy. 1 hour time frame is saying buy. Technical indicators is saying buy. Moving average is saying strong buy. And then let's go to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is saying buy. Summary is buy. Technical indicator is saying buy. Moving average is saying buy. Daily time frame is see is different now. It's saying sell. Technical indicator is neutral. Moving average is strong sell. Weekly time frame is saying sell. Technical indicators is saying sell. Moving averages is saying strong sell. Now, I haven't seen this. If you scroll up a little, you will see the chart here. This chart is for a daily time frame. You, my pointer is on the screen. You can see the company name is Excelsis, daily time frame, and it's on candlestick chart. It's a candlestick chart, and you can see the price. The price, the indicate candles are moving down. Is on a downtrend actually on a larger time frame, monthly time frame, daily time frame, so to say. Right now, there are a particular tool I want to introduce to us. This tool enables me to do a proper background check of this particular company. And the name of that tool is what? TradingView.com. Many of us might not understand or might not know about this particular website called TradingView.com. If you're watching this video for the very first time and you're hearing the word TradingView.com, please take your time, go to Google, type TradingView.com, get yourself to this page. It's a free tool out there that enables you to analyze every tool you can think of: forex, cryptocurrency, stock, future, bond, economy. What do you want? You can do your analysis here with TradingView. Now, TradingView is equally free. They give you the free aspect of it. It's equally free, but there is the pro, there is the pro plus, there's the premium aspect that they expect you to pay. But basically, right now, I'm using the free aspect of this tool to do my trade analysis. So they allow you that, so you can log into this particular trading view, refer back to my video part one. I explain much about trading view and take your time to watch the videos over and over again. You understand what I'm saying? So here we are on trading view right now, and watch list. Please follow my pointer. Watch list. I want to add this company called Excelsis to my watch list. So I click on add symbol. Okay, so click on add symbol. You can see what I'm saying. You see all. You see stocks, future, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy. So we are in stock. Remember. So I want to buy shares. So I want to analyze that particular company. It's a US based company called Alexis, Excelsis, so to say. I type Excelsis. Okay. So as you can see, Excelsis has appeared on my screen. So I want to add it to my watch list. So I click here, what my pointer, I click here, remove from watch list. As it has been added before, so I just click on it. It will add to my watch list. So it has been added before. So I just want to make you understand how to add it to your watch list. So I have a lot on my watch list here. If you see my watch list, you can see my pointer. I have a lot on my watch list. So this is a company I'm looking at right now, Excelsis. So I will click on this company, Excelsis. It will appear on the screen. Now the chart you see on the screen is is the price movement of Excelsis. Price movement of Excelsis. Please refer back to my videos if you're confused here. You can see some lines on the chart. Is an area of support and resistance. Refer back to my videos. I talked about support, resistance. It's very simple to draw. You can be able to do this equally yourself. So refer back to my videos. You understand this line clean and clear. So from the top side, from left top side, you can see the symbol is Excel, Excelsis. The time frame is monthly time frame. So I start my analysis from the monthly time frame. I look at this company from the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame had the bigger picture of what has happened to this company from the day they came, into their stock exchange. So I will scroll this down and I'll squeeze it to show you this. So this company has been in stock for since 2001. Okay, since year 2000 they've been there. If you watch down March 3, Monday 03 2000, this company has been on appeared in stock. So now you can see what happened here. Price came from this place and this company moved up. They've gained up to this place and it drops down. So let me quickly explain this to you. You see, these are areas of support and resistance. Now, support and resistance. So what are we doing here right now? These lines you see on the screen, let me enlarge it, gives us clue of what is happening with this particular currency pair. Now, whenever price get to the area of support, there is tendency that the price might begin to what go back up. You understand me now? So that is the marking of these lines. Let me see if I can use uh okay, let me see what I can use to be able to explain to us this. I just pray that I can be able to explain to us this better. Okay, let me use an arrow up to do the explanation. Here, watch. Here, you can see this arrow. You can see this arrow. Here now is an area of support. Watch here, support. Watch here, support. So now watch. Here's an area of support. Now, anytime price get from top to this place, the price returns back. You see what happened here? The price returns back up. Watch it. Let me use this trend line. You see, it goes back up. Hmm? Watch. I want to show you something. Watch this price. This price came back from this up now, returned back to this point, right? Tested this point again, and what happened? It went back up. Hmm? Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Are you seeing it? Hmm? It came down again from this point to this point. So what are we expecting? We're expecting this price to do what? Go back up. These are predictions. We are not predicting. These are past histories. From this point, it's past history. This happened in um it happened on February 01, 2019. It went up, came down to this particular point. This particular point here is Wednesday 01 December 2021. It went up, drops back down to this place, and we are in what? Today is what? We are in September 2022. So we're expecting that this price can easily begin to what? Move back up. These are what I'm trying to make you understand. So the arrows below are area of what? Support. Now let me explain to you area of resistance. It's a place where price get to at the peak and price couldn't continue. So let me quickly show you resistance, right? Let me pick this arrow down to show you resistance. Watch here, here, here is resistance. Watch here. Are you following me? Watch here. Are we there? Please watch me closely. Watch here. Okay, beautiful. So you can see support, follow the pointer, support, 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 resistance, 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 resistance on the monthly time frame. These are what I look at. Now, having done this, I want to move to the weekly time frame to see what is happening there. To see what is happening on the weekly time frames. And you can see from all indication on the monthly time frame, the candlestick, the price is actually down to a particular area of support. We are expecting what? A reversal that price might begin to go up. Whenever price got to a particular point of support, there are possibility of what? A reversal. That is a prediction. And these are what big banks look at. These are what those who invest in stock in other currencies. That's exactly what they look at. They look at this thing the way it is right now. So and that is the sentiment in trading. Okay, so let's go to weekly time frame. I want to quickly show you something there. And hey, okay, beautiful. Here we have a weekly time frame. You can see the arrows I placed on the monthly time frame is still here, right? So you can see the arrows, price touch here and price flew up. Please follow me, watch it, it flew up. It came down again to this place. This particular blue line here is an area of support. And what? It went up to this place. It found resistance. Are we getting it right? This here is resistance, here is resistance. You got it now? Price dropped down to this place, an area of support. What are we expecting? We're expecting that price could move from this place to this point, right? To this point, or even move up to the further point. Now, the lines quickly here, the purple line here is the monthly time frame area of support. The blue line here is the daily time frame support or resistance. Then the orange line here is the weekly time frame area of support or resistance. So please refer back to my previous videos. You'll be able to understand support and resistance. So let's quickly move ahead. So now I have seen so far so good that the price with this company has dropped down to a very particular low, to an area of support. That is the present candle. The present price has dropped down to the area of support, and we are looking at this price that this particular company shares will begin to go back up. So we are watching it closely, and that's what we are looking at. So let me go to daily time frame. So here is my daily time frame. Now you see the picture is getting clearer and clearer now. You can see this arrow I drew at the morning time frame is still here. It's an area of support and it's very valid here on the daily time frame. Look at this one, area of resistance is still very, very visible, and the chart is giving us a better clue. So what are we expecting here, gentlemen? It's not to begin to sell this. So what are we expecting is to buy. I don't know the tool you're using to do your investment. Buy maybe to this place, or you could even get up to this particular point. So I don't know the tools you're using to do your investment with as regards to your shares. But there are different tools out there you can use to place your order. So please make use of the tool. But this gives you a proper analysis of what you're about to do with this company. So you just then just go to see a company online and begin to put your hard-earned money there. You look for the one that are, you know that if you invest on, you're going to make dividends out of your shares. So that is that. So you make some good money. So let's progress. So you can see what is here right now. This daily time frame. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. I'm going to show you something. 4 hours time frame. The as we move up the time frame, you begin to see a clearer picture. So what do we have here? Price has touched down a strong area of what? A strong area of what? Support. Now, this price could move back up to this place. It gives us an opportunity to do what? To sell. But as it stands right now, we won't be taking any sell here. You won't be selling here. You won't be investing here. You will just watch and wait and see what is going to happen. So this is 4 hours time frame. So let's move to the 1 hour time frame. Oh, this is the 1 hour time frame. So those aggressive traders, we want to begin to look at this candle. See what happened here. Price went up, came down, test this particular line, came down. If you're not watching my previous video on how I explained that, what I explained about these two lines, please do refer to the previous video if you understand. So I am watching closely here. My target here right now is to buy these shares. Is to buy these shares. Of course, I'm giving you clue. Remember from fin screener, it has given us an indication. Let's go back to fin screener. Let's take the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is saying buy. You see the stock market is saying buy. The indicators is saying buy. The moving average is saying strong buy. 1 hour time frame. So if you're a day trader and you want to quickly do an investment with Excelsis, this is 1 hour time frame. Your duty here is to look for to begin to buy this. But there's more to this. I wait a little to see take a look at the candle and the candle, the price actions. Then I'll begin to invest in buying here. But at this point of support is the best place to buy low. As you buy from low, the price will begin to shoot up. So like I said before, I'm expecting that this price from this point will move up to this point. This what 1 hour time frame. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Beautiful. Now, did you see the 30 minutes time frame? Did you see? Let me remove this trend line. Did you see the 30 minutes time frame? What is happening here? Price comes to this place. Let me put this arrow. Found support. Went back up here. Found resistance for those who want to say they can sell down to this place. Now, watch. Now, support again here. Watch support again here. Those who are trading understand what triple bottom means. Button one, button two, button three. What are we expecting? That this price is going to do what? Shoot up. Our target is going to be this point. or even this point of what? Resistance. So, okay, maybe your first take profit is going to be this point, then you allow it to shoot further up. So, to this particular area of resistance. This is an area of resistance, gentlemen. Look at it here. It's a daily resistance. Please refer back to my video and watch this video over and over again. You understand clearly what I am trying to explain to you here. This is a proper area of what? Resistance. So we're expecting that price could get to this place and meet this resistance here. So there are free room for us to look at what? Buying shares here. Remember, from fin screener, so to say, we're able to understand that from the fin screener, this here is the fin screener, that the 30 minutes time frame, the 1 hour time frame is buy. Look at the 30 minutes time frame. Is the summary here is buy, the indicators is neutral, and the moving average is staying strong buy. So let's 15 minutes time frame is equal enough 10 months buy. Second analysis is saying what? Neutral, moving average is saying strong buy. So those who are trading lower time frames are those who want to get into the market and what? Get out of the market. They are day traders. They are day traders. So let me refer back to my to tradingview.com. So this is it. So buying here is the keyword. Buying here is the keyword. So you wait for a particular candle reaction and you buy this. You buy this company, you invest in buying shares with this company, and you are riding up to this particular point. As it is right now, you can't sell here. If you sell here, this is the point of support. There's possibility that the price will begin to go up. This is how you do your analysis. You don't sell here. Your action is to do what? Is to buy. These are the beautiful thing about combining these websites together. I believe that you are getting me. You are following this cleanly and clearly. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. See my pointer here. Click 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening there, gentlemen. So you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. Here's 15 minutes time frame. We are seeing triple bottom again, and then the price is telling us, look, I found an area of support. Support is an area where price get to, and price will continue going further down, and it begins to go up. So this is a proper area of support. So what are we expecting? We're expecting that this price might begin to shoot up. Of course, this support can be broken, but prediction. These are past history of what has happened previously with this particular, with this particular company and traders mindset. Remember, it's all about sentiment. So big banks are watching this. So that is the reaction. So the buyer side now is to do what? Is to buy this. It's not to sell. So we look forward to buy and not to sell. So that is that with this company. So refer you back to finscreener.com. You can see that the arrows we have here, just what my pointer, um, analysis rating is strong buy, finscreener rating 5 star up, value ranking up, what growth ranking up. So return back to um tradingview.com, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 4 hours time frame. It's not, gentlemen, it is time to buy shares with this company. So look at it, click at it. This is how I do my technical and fundamental analysis with these companies. And I tell you, what you're seeing right now is what people pay huge amount of money, and that's what I'm giving out to you free of charge. If you're a Nigerian a stock trader here in Nigeria, you can equally do the same. There are other sites I'm going to be explaining to you in my next video. It's just subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be explaining those sites to you in my next video. A sign that you can see different Nigerian companies. This to have Nigerian companies, you can see different Nigerian companies, attached, your chart attached. You can do your diligence and then do your proper technical analysis and begin to invest with this company. It works virtually with every other tool. So thank you for watching. I don't want this video to be too much long. At the next video, I will talk about this particular company in the list, the company number 7. I'll talk about the company number on my watch list number 7. Darling Ingredient Incorporated. Um, the sector is consumer defensive. The industry is packaged foods, and then the country is a USA, United States based company. So I'll be talking about this particular company in my next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in next.